The solar eclipse of 2023 is poised to be a remarkable event, captivating millions of people across the globe and reminding us of the majesty of the cosmos. This celestial spectacle not only serves as a visual wonder but also as a platform for scientific research, cultural celebration, and a moment of unity in our diverse world. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, obscuring the Sun and casting a shadow on the Earth's surface.
It's literally just this perfect ring, and it's glowing, it's radiant. I feel like I'll be dreaming about this for weeks to come.
This alignment, often referred to as syzygy, is a rare celestial event that requires precise timing and positioning of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. There are three main types of solar eclipses. Total solar eclipse. During a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, turning day into night for a brief period in a narrow path on the Earth's surface. In a partial solar eclipse, the moon covers only a portion of the sun, leaving a crescent shape. This type of eclipse is visible over a more extensive geographical area than a total eclipse, and it often captivates observers with its celestial beauty. Annular solar eclipse. An annular eclipse occurs when the moon covers the central part of the sun, leaving a ring of sunlight, also known as the ring of fire, visible around the edges of the moon. This phenomenon happens when the moon is farther from the Earth in its elliptical orbit, making it appear smaller in the sky. The solar eclipse set to grace our skies on March 30, 2023, promises to be a celestial spectacle of immense beauty. In the path of totality, observers will experience the awe-inspiring phenomenon of the daytime sky turning into a deep twilight as the moon completely obscures the sun.
It's a mob, a happy mob that's actually engaged with the cosmos.
It's a really cool sight to see.
The corona, with its wispy tendrils of superheated plasma, will be visible, creating an otherworldly and ethereal atmosphere. For those fortunate enough to be within this narrow path, the 2023 total solar eclipse will be an unforgettable experience, as it will not be repeated in the same region for several years. Throughout history, solar eclipses have fascinated and even terrified humans. Solar eclipses have been occasions for scientific exploration and wonder. One of the most famous solar eclipse expeditions occurred during the 1919 total solar eclipse, which provided critical experimental evidence supporting Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. The bending of starlight as it passed close to the sun's edge, observed during the eclipse, lent support to Einstein's revolutionary ideas. Solar eclipses continue to be invaluable for scientific research. They provide a unique opportunity to study the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, which is typically too faint to observe against the sun's bright background. During a total solar eclipse, when the moon briefly covers the sun, scientists can capture images of the corona and gather data on its temperature, structure, and dynamics. This research aids in our understanding of the sun's behavior, solar flares, and space weather, which can impact communication systems, satellites, and even power grids on Earth. Solar eclipses also have astronomical importance, as they allow astronomers to discover and study objects close to the sun that are typically invisible. By observing the sun's outer atmosphere and the stars near it, scientists can refine their understanding of the cosmos and the laws that govern it. While solar eclipses are undeniably captivating, it is essential to remember that observing them directly without adequate protection can cause severe eye damage. Solar eclipses have profound cultural and spiritual significance in various societies. In many cultures, eclipses are seen as opportunities for reflection, introspection, and renewal. They can serve as metaphors for change and transformation. In some indigenous cultures, eclipses are believed to represent the union of the sun and moon, embodying the harmonious balance of masculine and feminine energies. Solar eclipses often bring people together in communal celebrations, as they offer a unique opportunity to witness a celestial event that transcends cultural boundaries. Communities and astronomy enthusiasts worldwide organize eclipse-watching events, fostering a sense of unity and shared wonder. The solar eclipse of 2023 is poised to be a remarkable event, captivating millions of people across the globe and reminding us of the majesty of the cosmos. This celestial spectacle not only serves as a visual wonder but also as a platform for scientific research, cultural celebration, and a moment of unity in our diverse world. Whether we observe the eclipse in person or follow it through the lenses of cameras and telescopes, It is a testament to the enduring allure of the celestial drama unfolding above us. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.